This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: iPhone updated, App Store access, and a spare minute. Open Total now and sign in with your Apple ID. This syncs preferences and backups. Once done, allow the app's requested permissions, notifications for alerts, location for context-aware features, and microphone only if you'll record. Make sure iCloud is enabled to save settings automatically. If you prefer local files, choose local storage in the next prompt so your data goes where you expect. Now set up your workspace. Complete your profile and pick a default workspace or create a new one to keep projects organized. Import content using the Files Picker, Photos, iCloud Drive, or third-party providers, because Total reads native file types for faster processing. Then open Settings to configure preferences. Select a theme for clarity, set autosave interval to avoid lost edits, and choose export formats like PDF or PNG. These choices speed future work and reduce repeated. Complete your session by exporting or saving. Tap Export, choose Format, and confirm destination, whether iCloud or device storage. That ensures you can access the result from other apps. Make use of Undo and History to quickly revert changes, and rely on autosave to protect progress between edits. If something goes wrong, the export fails, or a feature is missing, force close the app and reopen. Then check iPhone settings to confirm Total has required permissions. Most issues resolve after a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.